For centuries, farming relied on experience and intuition. The rhythm of the land was set by the sun, the wind, and the calloused hands of those who worked the soil. Farmers looked at the horizon, making their best guesses about when to plant and when to harvest, based on generations of tradition. It was a beautiful, honest way of life, but it was often a gamble against the unpredictable forces of nature. Today, that ancient story is evolving into something revolutionary. We are standing at the dawn of a new era where the earth speaks a different language.
Today, farming relies on data. The modern field is no longer just a patch of dirt. It is a complex grid of information waiting to be decoded. Digital signals have replaced simple guesswork, allowing us to see what the naked eye cannot. This transition isn't just about machines. It's about a fundamental shift in how we perceive our relationship with the planet. By gathering billions of data points, we are uncovering the hidden secrets of the soil. The age of precision has arrived, and it is changing everything we thought we knew about food production.
Precision agriculture is transforming how farmers work on a global scale. It is a synergy of biology and technology designed to make every seed count. Using GPS technology, farmers can now map every single inch of their land with incredible accuracy. This isn't just about steering a tractor, it's about creating a digital twin of the entire farm. Every slope, every dip, and every corner of the field is accounted for in a virtual space. This level of detail provides a foundation for decisions that were once impossible to make. With this digital map, farmers know exactly where to plant, fertilize, and irrigate. They no longer treat the field as a single unit, but as thousands of tiny, individual plots. Imagine being able to give each specific plant exactly what it needs, right when it needs it. This microscopic level of management ensures that no resource is ever wasted. It allows for a level of efficiency that traditional methods could never achieve. We are moving from a one-size-fits-all approach to a highly personalized way of growing our food.
But why does this matter so much? The conflict lies in our growing global demands and our finite resources. For years, traditional farming meant applying fertilizers and water across whole fields, even where they weren't needed. This led to massive waste and high costs that squeezed the livelihoods of farming families. It also meant that excess chemicals often washed away into our precious water systems. The old way of farming was becoming a struggle for survival against rising costs and environmental pressure. We reached a breaking point where the old methods simply weren't enough.
The pressure to feed a growing population while protecting the environment created a massive challenge. Farmers were caught in a cycle of needing higher yields, but facing unpredictable weather and depleted soil. The stakes have never been higher for the future of our food security. Every gallon of wasted water and every bag of unnecessary fertilizer is a blow to the sustainability of the farm. We needed a solution that could bridge the gap between productivity and preservation. The conflict was clear: adapt or face a future of scarcity. Enter the eyes in the sky. Drones scan crops from above, detecting stress, disease, and nutrient deficiencies long before they are visible to a human walking the rows. These unmanned aerial vehicles use multispectral sensors to see the health of the plants through light waves. They can pinpoint a single pest outbreak in a corner of a 100-acre field. Instead of spraying the whole crop, the farmer can now target only the affected area. This is the surgical strike of agriculture: precise, effective, and incredibly fast. This real-time monitoring allows for rapid response to any threat. Before a plant even begins to wilt, the data tells the farmer that something is wrong. It might be a lack of nitrogen, a hidden fungus, or an irrigation leak underground. By catching these issues early, we prevent total crop failure and minimize the need for heavy chemical intervention. The drone acts as a tireless scout, providing a perspective that was once reserved for those with expensive satellite access. Now, this technology is in the hands of farmers everywhere.
The climax of this technological revolution is the integration of artificial intelligence. Huge amounts of data from drones, soil sensors, and satellites flow into powerful algorithms.
These systems can predict harvest yields with startling accuracy and suggest the perfect time to pick the crop. It's like having a master agronomist working 24 hours a day, analyzing every variable. The AI considers weather patterns, historical data, and current soil moisture all at once. This isn't science fiction. It is the heartbeat of the modern farm. Instead of treating the entire field the same, farmers now treat each section differently. This is known as variable rate technology, and it is the peak of precision. In one area, the soil might be rich and hold water well, while just 10 feet away, it might be sandy and dry. The machines adjust their output automatically as they move across the landscape. They drop more seeds where the soil is fertile and less where it isn't. This intelligent distribution is the ultimate way to respect the natural variation of the earth. This level of control means fewer inputs, lower costs, and significantly higher yields. When you only use exactly what you need, the savings add up quickly. Farmers are seeing their profit margins grow even as they produce more food than ever before. It is a rare win-win situation where the economics of the business align perfectly with the needs of the land. The efficiency is breathtaking, turning struggling operations into thriving, high-tech enterprises. This is the moment where technology pays off in a very real, tangible way. But the benefits go far beyond the bank account. More importantly, it means farming that is both profitable and sustainable. By reducing the amount of fertilizer used, we protect our groundwater and nearby ecosystems. By using water only where it's needed, we conserve our most precious natural resource. Precision agriculture is the key to feeding the world without destroying the planet. It is the answer to the environmental conflict we have faced for decades. We are finally finding a way to grow in harmony with nature's limits. The resolution of our story is a landscape transformed. Farmers are no longer exhausted by the uncertainty of the harvest. They are empowered by the clarity of their data. The stress of the unknown is replaced by the confidence of a well-executed plan. We see a future where young, tech-savvy individuals are drawn back to the land, excited by the innovation. The rural landscape is buzzing with the sound of drones and the hum of servers. As the data flows, the harvest grows. Every season becomes a lesson that improves the next. The cycles of farming are now loops of constant improvement, where every mistake is caught and every success is replicated. The resolution is a food system that is more resilient to climate change and market fluctuations. We are building a safety net for humanity, one data point at a time. The fear of failure is being replaced by the excitement of discovery. The land is thriving, and so are the people who care for it. Precision agriculture is not just innovation, it is the future of food production. It represents a promise to future generations that we will leave the earth better than we found it. It is the culmination of human ingenuity applied to our most basic need, nourishment. This shift is happening right now, in fields all across the globe. From small family farms to massive operations, the digital revolution is taking root. We are witnessing the most significant change in agriculture since the invention of the plow, and we are just getting started. Consider the impact of a world where hunger is reduced because our fields are twice as productive. Imagine a world where the air and water are cleaner because we stopped over-applying chemicals. This is the moral message of our journey, that technology, when used wisely, can heal our relationship with the earth. We have the tools to be better stewards of the land. The data tells us a story of hope, showing us that we can thrive without taking more than the earth can give. It is a lesson in balance and precision. As we look to the horizon, the possibilities are endless. New sensors are being developed that can taste the nutrients in the soil in real time. Satellite constellations are being launched to monitor the entire planet's vegetation every single day. The connection between the farmer and the consumer is becoming shorter and more transparent. You will soon know exactly how, when, and where your food was grown, down to the specific meter of soil. This transparency is building a new kind of trust in our food system.
So the next time you see a tractor in a field or a drone in the sky, remember the revolution happening beneath them. It is a quiet revolution, measured in bytes and bushels. It is a story of hard work meeting high tech. It is the story of us learning to grow smarter, not just harder. Precision agriculture is the bridge to a sustainable future, and we are all part of this incredible journey. The harvest of tomorrow is being programmed today, and the results are going to be spectacular. Thank you for joining us on this look into the future of farming. If you found this journey as fascinating as we do, please consider supporting our channel. We are dedicated to exploring the technologies that are changing our world for the better. Your engagement helps us bring more of these stories to light. Together, we can stay informed about the innovations that will shape our lives and the health of our planet for years to come. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below about what tech you think will change farming next. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the future of food and technology. Check out our other videos for more deep dives into the world of innovation. Until next time, keep looking forward to a smarter, greener world. We'll see you in the next video.